Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the source. Position a directional or dynamic mic close to your mouth and away from fans. Once done, route game sound and voice to separate channels so you can process each independently. Make sure your DAW or recorder uses 48 kHz and 24-bit to preserve detail for noise reduction. Also close background apps and mute notifications. This reduces intermittent spikes and gives you a cleaner capture to work with in the next steps. You now build and apply the noise reduction chain. First, record a 2 to 3 second noise profile of the room while not speaking. This trains the noise gate and spectral tool. Use spectral noise reduction conservatively. Start around 6 to 10 decibels and preview. Too aggressive causes artifacts. Next, apply a high-pass filter at about 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and use narrow notch filters for mains hums or persistent tones. Finally, adjust attack and release to keep speech natural. You finish by balancing processing. Add gentle compression to even dynamics, a de-esser for sibilance, and a subtle warmth EQ to restore presence. Once done, a /B with the raw track to ensure you didn't overprocess. Make sure levels match and dialogue remains intelligible versus game audio. If you hear metallic artifacts or warbling, reduce noise reduction strength, recapture a cleaner noise profile, or apply targeted spectral repair only where needed. This troubleshooting step prevents ruined.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.